Hello everyone, this is Monica from Moni's Design. Thank you for joining us today. Let's get started. I'm using hologram gold sequin glitter cardstock, red ruby glitter luxe, shamrock sequin glitter cardstock, and disco party fusion sequin glitter cardstock. I'm also using this art glitter glue, and I'm using some ribbon. All this cardstock is from Encore, the brand from 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop, and I've listed below in the description the link where you can find all these materials. Now let's assemble. Today we're making this cute Merry Christmas ornament, and we're going to be using these combinations. So let's assemble. Use plenty of glue and add glue to all the little crevices so everything sticks really well together when you're gluing it to the gold part. Now grab your gold part and glue it. You can use one of these to press it on. Here I am just cleaning all the glue mess that I made, but this glue, it dries clear, so you won't have a problem with it. Here, so I can do this a little bit faster for you guys, I'm doing the exact same thing that I did with the previous ornament, but with the other combination that I chose. Now I'm cutting the ribbon that I'm going to be using in the ornaments. I do a little knot on top, and then I add it with some of my tools to the ornament because I did make the hole a little bit smaller for this ribbon, but you can make it bigger in the SVG. And we're all done. Look how cute they turned out. I hope you guys enjoy making this with your families or friends. You can always go to the 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop website to get more color combinations, and I hope to see you in the next video. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas and see you on the next one. Bye!